Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to create a rolling and credit on your video by CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do, you can just add or start a new project, and you can put the picture that you want to use for the base of the credit and that you want. So you already have this picture, so I will to make a rolling credit, so that will be run. The text will be run from below part into the upper part here. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that the straight line here is standing in front of or in the beginning part of the clip. And now that we need to click this text and insert in the text by quickly add text, and now you just need to prepare the text that you want to use here. So let's say I would like to use credits, then I would like to put the names here. Okay, it's almost done. So whenever you're done with this text, you can also do the styling so that the text will stay up here. You can styling the fonts if you want. You can just use any font that you want, and then style the colors too. So here I will let to use this so that it will be clearly seen by the viewers. You can also adjust in the size by pinch this into the other side to make it bigger. Okay, and whenever you're done adjusting or styling your text, go click this checklist button. And now we need to adjusting the length. Make sure that this length is just the same, or you can also adjust it into the specific positions that the text will be disappear. You can make it whole or in the specific position, let's say in the 6 seconds here. And whenever you're done, back into the beginning part. Now you just need to drag the text so that the text will be disappear in the downside here. Drag it in the downside. And the next thing we need to do is just go click this add keyframe. And the next thing we need to do is just go drag the straight line into the end of the clip and drag the text. Oh my bad. And drag the text into the upper side until they disappear. Okay, wait a minute, I think that's gonna be filled, so let's just delete the keyframe again and just restart in it. So we need to drag until the text is disappear. Okay, until the text is disappear, or you can also use this there. Okay, now let's just try the result. So the text is already running and rolling from the below part into the upper part. So that's the way how to create rolling and credit with the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.